Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance woes into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire dryer E4A error code, specifically for 2025 models. If you've seen this code flashing on your dryer and it's got you scratching your head, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error typically signals an issue with the dryer's temperature sensor or heating system, which can halt your laundry routine in its tracks. First off, let's understand what this code means. The E4A error often points to a problem with the thermistor, which is a fancy term for the temperature sensing component. It could also indicate a blockage in the venting system or even a malfunction in the control board. Common causes include lint buildup, a clogged exhaust vent, or wear and tear on internal parts, things that happen over time with regular use. Now, before you grab your tools, remember safety first. Unplug your dryer and let it cool down completely. To troubleshoot, start by checking the lint filter and exhaust vent for any blockages. Give them a good clean to ensure proper airflow. Next, reset the dryer by turning off the power at the circuit breaker for a few minutes, then turn it back on. If the error persists, you might need to inspect the thermistor. This involves accessing the back panel. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. If it's faulty, you'll likely need to replace it, which is a job you can do with basic tools and a replacement part from online retailers. If you're not comfortable with electrical components, it's always smart to call in a professional technician to avoid any risks. Regular maintenance, like cleaning vents every few months, can prevent this error from popping up again. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing your Frigidaire dryer's E4A error. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.